Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you have a ton of household projects or little repairs to do? That's why I got this WORKPRO drill and driver set. Now when I have something that needs to be done around the house, I can easily just pull it out and use it. It comes with a battery and a charger. I found this really easy to use and strong enough to handle those little projects that I have. In fact, I was able to use some of the drill bits that my husband has, and I can see that the torque on this is strong enough to really get even hard to remove screws or other things like drilling into walls. It can handle it just fine. I've used other drills in the past, and if I'm using them for a prolonged amount of time, they get a little heavy and cumbersome for me to use. So I really appreciate how lightweight this is, but still heavy duty enough to get the job done. The bits were easy to install. I really like that it has a light on it. That came in really handy when I was taking apart our dehumidifier in order to clean it. Some of the areas were dark, and so having the light made it really easy for me to find and remove the screws. And of course, when I was looking for a drill to buy, I couldn't help but notice how cute it was with the pink color. If you're looking for a quality drill that will do your little projects, I recommend this one from WORKPRO, and that's my point of view.